Hello, fellow traders. 'Tis I, the Rumpled One, coming to you from my ranch in the country. A lot of people know that I'm not a scalper per se anymore. I'm not sitting in front of the computer or computers. I don't have internet online 24/7. So they've asked me, how do I trade? What kind of trades do I take? One of my favorite trades is the weekly open trade. I call it a set and forget trade. So from Tuesday through Friday, those are the days that I'll have a trade put on. So for example, this week here, we had the open started at 140.86. First day was a green candle. Price closed above the open. So now on Tuesday, I will set my entry to go short right here at the open, weekly open. And as you can see, it penetrated the open. Now, I'll have to put a take profit on. You have to decide how much you want to take if it's there. On the other hand, people say, where's your stop loss? Well, whatever the high for that first day is, that Monday high, that's where your stop loss is. So, you know what your risk is, you know where the stop loss is, you then go ahead and adjust your position size accordingly. Let's just say my take profit was somewhere down here. Well, you see, I'd get in the trade on Tuesday, and then it'd be in a losing position, and then on Wednesday it came back down, but it didn't do it quite enough, and then you can see here it probably went up and then came back down, and I got out with the profit. Then after Thursday, you can see for the week it's below the weekly open, so we got a red weekly candle. But here, using the TRO multimeter candle color, the month was open. Well, right here, the daily candle turned green, so we'd have green, red, green. But then at the weekly open, the week would turn green. So once again, you'd go long here at the weekly open, and you would then you'd be sitting in profit if you haven't already taken it. So it's a very simple trade, and the TRO opens indicator and the TRO range gauge and the multimeter and the magnified market price that I modified, all those are free indicators, and you guys know where to find them. So hopefully that helps, that answers some questions. If you have more questions, feel free to email or put the questions in the reply. And you guys, once again, you know where I post my code. And I've been making these build 600 compatible. So there's a TRO build 600 compatible thread out there, and that's where the build 600, I guess you could say, mother load will be. So hopefully that helps a few of you guys understand what I do and how I do it, because fellow traders, it's not what you trade, it's how you trade it.